Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today's recipe is an aloo pancake. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box. Please do check it out. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for making the pancake. We need potato or aloo, which I've mashed and kept ready here. I've got some salt, pepper and nutmeg, which I've grated. In here I've got some cream. You can use cream or you can use milk. And in this bowl I have a mixture of oats, semolina or rava and maida or all-purpose flour. So these are the ingredients required to make the dish. So let's start preparing the pancakes. So the first step in making the pancake is to add the cream to the mashed potato and blend it to a smooth paste. So I've added the cream in and I'll just blend this in the mixer into a smooth paste. I've got the mashed potato and cream blended together into a smooth paste. So in here I've got the oats, semolina and all-purpose flour. I'm going to mix all of them together. Let's add in the nutmeg powder or grated nutmeg, pepper powder and salt. Mix everything together. Now let's mix the potato mixture into this. Mix the batter well. If you need more liquid to make the batter, make use of milk. So I've kept it ready. Now we're going to keep this closed and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. The batter is rested for 30 minutes and it's ready. I've got a pan on fire. I've spread some oil on it. It's on medium heat. We'll just take a ladle of the batter and pour it in. Spread it out a little. Let this cook until it's golden brown, and then we'll flip it and cook it from the other side as well. Looks like it's cooked from the other side. Let's flip it. And now cook from the bottom as well. The pancake is done. Now you can remove it into a plate. You can serve this with some pudeena chutney or green chutney, or it tastes good with ketchup or any other sabji. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.